thunderstorm will be near Sherman around 2:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Norwood around 2:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Bells around 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Howe around